Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 10-minute dancer arm workout. You don't need any equipment on, but it's going to be super killer, so let's get started. Alright, start with your feet hip width apart parallel. Arms are going to be out at the side. They're going to lift overhead, catching a beach ball and then lowering back down. To rest. Alright, you guys, take your arms out to a T, palms face back. You're going to bend the elbows as you bring the palms to face your body and then extend them back out to the side. And rest. Nice job. This time your arms are going to come out to that T and you're going to catch a beach ball, this time right in front of your chest. And you're going to keep those shoulders away from your ears. Breathe, and then we will take those arms back out to that T position. We find an alternating L, lifting right and then left. Nice and strong energy out the fingertips. Alright, take a rest. Again, those arms are out to a T. You're going to pull one elbow in as you flip the palm up and then extend the opposite arm along. right, nice work, you guys. We are at our halfway point, so I'm going to give you a little bit longer of a break to rest those arms before we get started back from the top. But once you're ready, you can take those arms back out to a T, and you're going to catch that beach ball up and overhead. All right, next up, we take those arms to the T with the palms facing back. You bend the elbows, flip the palms in, and then extend as you press those arms nice and long. Here we go. Take a rest. All right, nice work. Next up, we are catching that beach ball out at the chest. So the arms start in a T, and then you close those fingertips together at the center and extend back out. Here we go. Right, shake it out, you guys. Next up, we're taking those alternating L's. As you can see, I'm really tired, so I'm taking a moment to roll out those shoulders. But we're going to reach those arms to a T and begin with the right and the left. And last but not least, we are going to take those arms out and then find that alternating elbow pull in and in as you find the rotation of the palm facing up and down. and shake it all out, you guys. That is all I've got for you today. Hopefully you got those arms on fire like I did. And if you liked today's video, let me know in those comments below. We'll see you back next time.